Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can clear all of the cache and junk from your Windows PC. So from the desktop section here, you want to go to the search bar down here, and then you want to search for disk cleanup. If it's not on the recent bar here, just type it in, disk cleanup like this. There you go. Now you need to pick which drives you want to clean up. So either ASRC or volume T. Which one of these? It's your choice. I'm just going to do C. So click on OK. After that, it'll say calculating and it'll be scanning all of our cache and chunk, scanning temporary files right now. That could be cache or it could be just chunk file like from old Windows computer and stuff like that. Let's just wait for it to finish. Now, once it's finished, you'll see that it'll give a menu like this, right? So it can say download the program files. I'm just gonna leave it at unchecked. And then you can see there's a couple of chunk we can delete here, like thumbnails, temporary files, temporary internet files, all of these. If you want to delete all of these, you can just check them out, all of these, like this. And then once you checked all of them, you can say click on OK to clean it all up. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.